Hi there, my name is Brady, inbound marketing consultant here at Bluleadz. Today we wanted to talk a little bit about HubSpot and the new traffic analytics tool. We're going to walk you through step by step, show you some new updates and features, and how we're using the tool and how you can use it as well. First things first, we're going to log into our dashboard, into our HubSpot portal. We're going to come over to reports, where we're going to find the new traffic analytics tool, which obviously says new, so we click on that. Today we're going to focus on traffic analytics, so we will click this section over here on the left and it brings you into the reporting tool. As you can see, pretty straightforward. Traffic analytics, it is in beta. You can sort by date range, you can do monthly, daily frequency, you can do all your data, you can bring in all your data, you can break it down by today, yesterday, this week, last week, this month, last month, by quarter, and by year. You can also adjust by rolling date range and custom date range as well. And then secondarily, but you can pick the frequency, by daily, weekly, or monthly, and that's what you're going to see here on your dashboard as you go ahead and pick that. You can also pick different domains. You can include offline sources. So what does that mean? So what that means is, for us, what we're going to do a date range of is this month on a daily frequency. Scroll down, you can see the traffic by day from sources. So the green is organic. We have direct, email marketing, referrals, social media, and other campaigns. So what does that mean? So as we're looking at this dashboard, we can see by source where our visits are coming from. Organic visits are people typing in keywords into Google search, and you can see how many sessions you're going to have. For this month, looks like we have a little bit over 18,000. Direct traffic is actually the actual URL being put into the search field. So in our case, it would be bluleadz.com. That's your direct traffic. Email marketing obviously is any kind of marketing that you're doing internally, any kind of emails that you're sending out, automation emails, newsletters, things like that. Gives you an idea, tracks how many visits and how many sessions you're getting from email marketing. The next source we'll look at is referrals. Looks like this month we had 482 referrals. That's any other link coming from any other website, external websites. Could be partner agencies, anywhere where you're getting your content on other people's sites and it's linking back. That's referrals. The next source, social media. Any visits and sessions that you're getting from social media, 191 this month for us. And then lastly, other campaigns. What we don't see here is any miscellaneous campaigns that we might be running that aren't associated with any of these other sources. That would be other campaigns. We also see that no PPC for us, pay per advertising for us this month, but if you were doing that and you were tracking it, that would show up here as well. Obviously, we talked about sessions would be the next column here, the number of times a user visited your website for the selected date range. And as you hover over, you can see, it's pretty self-explanatory. Some of the new features, though, we get into here on some of these columns, what we can see here is the contact conversion rate. The number of new contacts divided by the number of sessions, again, for the selected date range. So it gives us an idea that this month, organically, we've had 18,000, a little bit of over 18,000 sessions. We've had 125 new contacts, and our conversion rate's at 0.68%. So the last column here is the average session length. Pretty self-explanatory. The average time between start and end session. How long somebody's staying on your website. It's a good indication of good user experience and can increase quality score and SEO. Very important factor, one of our favorite new tools on the site. All right, the next tab we're going to look at is topic clusters, a really cool tool that allows us to look at specific landing pages where we're trying to target keywords. As we tie into a campaign, in our particular instance, it's inbound marketing strategy. Topic cluster, the sessions, how many pages are being viewed. And again, it goes back to the date range, monthly, yearly, daily, rolling date range, and the frequency is how you're going to set up the dashboard here. All these tools are able to export into reports which are fantastic for your reporting. And as we see on the bottom here, the sources are pretty much the same as the previous tabs, just specifically to these topic cluster pages. So back up here at page types, if we want to choose specific pages where we can get more information on blog pages, landing pages, or website pages, you just click here and a drop down lets you sort by top viewed landing page, website page, or blog page. So when you want to move away from all types of pages throughout your whole site, you can get more specific. You can choose page types and get the drop down here. It's going to allow you to choose website pages, blog pages, and landing pages. There's the drop down. You can see all types. It's going to give you every page on your website. You can sort it by blog pages, landing pages, or website pages. In this case, we've sorted it by landing pages. We can look at for this month which landing pages is doing the best, by how many views. Obviously, if you want to see entrances, average time on page, bounce rate, and exit rate. You can also sort by clicking into the section here, views. So in our case, these landing pages, the top landing pages by 0 views, and then you can sort by the most views. Okay, the fourth tab here we're going to look at is the Advanced Traffic Reports tab. Similar to sources, topic clusters, and pages, the Advanced Traffic Reports tab is going to allow you to see all of your campaigns and how they're performing. Underneath here you can see we have UTM campaigns, all our campaigns assigned and how they're doing across the board, across the site. HubSpot email campaign, how many sessions, contacts, how many customers that campaign is delivering for us, the bounce rate, new sessions, page view sessions, average session length as well. So really cool tool, how our campaigns are performing, that gives you the opportunity to really dive in and look at some of the analytics. All right, guys, that about wraps it up. Looked at the new traffic analytics dashboard. Hopefully that gave you some great new insights on where your traffic and your leads and your contacts are coming from. And we look forward to giving you some great information on our blog. So check it out. Stay tuned.